right? Building that belief. Here's what the site would look like. Imagine if you had one of those in your local town.
That's
right?
called vision.
If you take a lead with no marketing when it's that far away from the hole and then turn that into a sale, I think that just makes you lights out. Then what takes you to the next level, and that's the hardest thing to learn too, because you got to deal with your fears, your money beliefs, your value issues. You're talking one-on-one. You got to learn to be uncomfortable, handle the objections and all that, which is what that's the best personal development too that I've ever done, is learning how to do that. But then once you got that dialed, learning to do the marketing, that's when everything just goes to the next level, because now it's easier for you. You could hire salespeople that are less talented, and you could kind of move from there. Like, you look at like what Dan does, it's always a nice combination of marketing leading to the sales. I can do it, right? Someone doesn't know who I am and make a sale, right?
Yeah.
I can do it. I don't like to do that. And with the technology today, it's very easy in any sales process. Even if you're having a call with someone for a lead gen property, do a quick screencast before your phone call with them. Show them some results, right? Show them you're the real deal. There's a video that I did for you, like the 9 proof elements.
11.
Go through those proof elements. Think, what can I do to get some belief before I get onto the sales call with them, right? And if I always want people watching content. Even if I just met them through a cold email, I shoot a quick video. Here, this is what I did for this client here, right? And even when I didn't have clients, if I go into a brand new niche, it'd be like, this is what it would look like, right? Building that belief. Here's what the site would look like. Imagine if you had one of those in your local town.
That's
right?
called vision.
If you had the second one, this is what we're building. You see how it lays out like this? This is where it would be showing up. Send that to them, or show them another example site of another, like if we're talking SEO, show them another town. It doesn't have to be your site. These are the positions you're going to have. You see what they're doing right. Look at the backlinks they built. Look at their on-page kind of stuff. That's what we're going to do for you, right? Then when you get on the phone call, that level of belief is built up. It's a totally different sale.
So a really good example of this in real life, outside of the world that we know with the internet, what he just went over, is if you have a piece of land, right? So this is very timely, right? So I have my home here. I have 5 acres. It originally was a subdividable lot. They ended up just putting one home on it. And so like I want to derive maximum value out of my house. So, houses are generally, obviously there's a lot of different factors, but they look at obviously price per square foot. And then the land it's obviously valued, but it's not truly, when you look at price per square foot, they're not also digging too much into these other factors, right? And land is a big deal, right? And so one of the ideas that we had was, well, let's go and get, the city involved or the county involved, and let's see if we can subdivide off, or if it, like, even if we're not going to do it, let's make those divisions a reality. And then once the divisions are a reality, then let's find an engineer and spend a couple $1,000 and have them put a virtual or a CGI version of the home on there, right? You see this all the time in developments, that you go and look at the home. It's this exact same concept. It's giving people who are blind, which would be the small business owner, a vision of who you are and what their life will look like in the future after you doing the things that you are going to sell them on in just a moment. So this is happening, by the way, in not only our industry, but happens in many industries, right? You see it.
Industry.
Yeah, almost every industry.
People know what they're doing. They're going to use proof elements in their sales process.
Yeah, and they're going to show the vision of what the completed product looks like and get your emotions involved with what you're going to feel like when that happens by paying you the money. So